in a land where shadows dance with history. The future listens to its melody. Hear it. The pulse of a city that breathes secrets through its walls. Here, the call to prayer merges with church bells, creating a symphony of tradition and modernity, where every encounter is a new adventure. Discover it. Where East and West collide in a breathtaking symphony. Wander the streets that pulse with their own unique rhythm. Love it, where verdant hills rise and majestic mountains shelter a city shaped by dreams. Savor flavors that narrate tales of age-old recipes and cultural fusion. Unlock every door with one key and dare to explore its soul. It will capture yours. Feel it. Enjoy it. Visit Sarajevo, a city that defies expectations. Feel it. Enjoy it. Visit Sarajevo, where cultures embrace.